Just rip into it.
Let me help you? Here.
Because that thing is really handy. Wow.
What is it?
It's a new chapter book.
Read it.
And it's really interesting. It's like a knight that's trying to steal a gold thing.
Can you
Read
read
the
the
top.
top?
But it's checkers.
Read the top.
Read the very top of it.
And Harry Mother
Harry.
Potter. Yay.
Harry Potter.
And the Philosopher's
Philosophers.
Stone. Yay!
What do
I
you
finally
say?
get a Harry Potter book.
What do you tell to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
It said, do you want to open
At first I saw a little tiny bit of it and I said,